Hello and welcome to the unboxing and my review of the Blink Mini security camera. This is a budget mini camera made by Blink. It's an Amazon company. It features 1080 HD video, night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio. It is compatible with all Alexa devices, of course. Like what the Echo shows, you can display the camera on there. If you get the Blink app on your smartphone, you can watch and see the camera on your phone from anywhere. So wherever you are, you can access the camera if you are out, so you can see inside your house or speak to people in the house, kids, pets, whatever. So let's open this guy up. So it's glued to the bottom of the box. That was fun. Alright, so here is the little camera. It's an always-on device, so it stays plugged in all the time by use of a micro USB port. Not sure that's why they're still using micro USB instead of USB-C, but for this it doesn't really matter. It's going to be plugged in all the time anyway. Your power adapter and your power cord. It's got a couple screws if you want to, looks like you can mount it down, and a very small piece of paper with some safety information. Alright, so it's got some plastic on the front to peel off. Alright, let's see how we set this thing up. Plug that in there. It's got a pretty good sized cord on it. Probably about a 6-foot cord, which is nice. If you want to put it up on top of a stand or something, I have plenty of room to reach down to where your outlets are. Okay, so first what you want to do is go to the Play Store. And download the Blink Home Monitor Smart Home Security app. I already have this installed because this is actually my second camera. I do already have one. So you will download the app, you will install the app, and then you will go to it. You'll have to set up an account. Then you're going to add a device. It'll ask you which one you want. This is the mini camera, always on wired camera. And now capture QR code on the device, which is right here on the back. We're just going to fold it up. There we go. And since I already have an account one set up, you can add to an existing system, or if you haven't had one, you will create one. So I just have one that simply called Home. Alright, it's saying it needs a green light on and a blinking blue, which is what we have. Oh yes, we want to make sure we are connected to Wi-Fi, your home network that you're going to be using, that you want this to be connected to. Alright, discover device. Then you connect. Add mini camera. Listed below are the Wi-Fi networks in range of your mini camera. Select the Wi-Fi network for Blink to join. I have a T-Mobile modem / router, but I use the ASUS router for everything. So I'm going to click on ASUS. And I have 2G and 4G, but it only supports the 2 gigahertz. Okay, so then we got to put in our password. Okay, mini camera connected successfully. Done. Alright, so on the top screen we see this is the one I have upstairs in the living room. And now let's look at the bottom one. We need to name, okay. Just click on that big number there and we can change it to whatever we want. I think this one is going to go like dining room, kitchen area. I'll just call it dining room. I can always change it later. I don't know for sure. I'm going to put this one. Okay, so we got a little picture of a camcorder and then a camera. So you should be able to take still pictures, which will save to the Blink Cloud. Or you can just hit the camcorder button and it'll show you a feed of the video. It'll show you a video feed from the camera. Alright. Turn it on, it should, it'll turn blue. There we go. A little delay. I'm downstairs in the basement, so where I do my recordings and stuff. Alright, so we're going to close that. The top one there, if I hit the video record or the camcorder there, this will show my upstairs. Alright, so there's the Blink Mini wired indoor security camera. You can see on the bottom of my phone screen here, arm to disarm. That is for motion detection. So you can set that up as well. Go into settings. Some settings you can mess around with here: light mode, dark mode, show the temperature, notification options. And then the play button at the bottom will show any clips. You can save clips, recordings from your camera. So really, for normally $35, it's a good deal for a camera that is high quality, two-way audio, motion detection, night vision. Right now, as of today, it's on Amazon for $27.99. Also, if you're Prime, you can do the 5 monthly payments with no interest. It's very, very inexpensive camera, and I think it's great. So I like it a lot. For that price, it's hard to beat. But let's see here, Blink Mini. They're all on sale right now. The indoor wireless one is $60 instead of $80. We get the Mini at $27.99 instead of $34.99. You will need to set this up with Alexa if you want to use it with Alexa with any other devices that have a screen like the Echo Show. So we go to Alexa and devices. So right here at the top, we got all the different types of things. We have cameras right here. And I already set up the living room camera, so it looks like it's already saying dining room, new device. So we need to set that up, hit that, and it looks like it's all good to go. Yeah, it's already set up. If you don't have it set up at all yet, you will just go to the cameras button here and then just go through the process. It's very simple. Hi, Gizzy. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs to my Echo device, my Echo Show. Make sure that's working. All right, so I showed the living room when I was downstairs, and this is how dark it is in here. So, I mean, it works really well in the dark. Okay, in the bedroom, here is my Echo Show. Let's see, Alexa, show me the living room.
Okay.
Waiting for blink. Hey, there we go. Well, you can see that, but I just showed you how dark it was in there, and that looks pretty good. Alexa, stop. And now, how about Alexa, show me the dining room, which will actually be the basement.
Okay.
And there we go. There's where I just was. It's all the way down in the basement in the far corner, so it looks like we get a little buffering, but it's just about the furthest point away from the router you can get. Alexa, stop. Alright, so that's my little review on the Blink Mini. Thank you for watching. I will leave a link in the description for the Blink Mini if you want to go check it out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.